Hi everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today's coin, we're having a little bit of a flashback just for fun. It is the 2019 American Liberty High Relief Gold coin. And why are we looking at this? I think the answer will reveal itself very shortly. This is a fantastic coin, and it is one of the latest deals from EMK, so it's very exciting to be looking at this coin again. Lots of packaging there for this special coin. There we have the lovely United States Mint box. Oh, very, very nice. Let's take that out. Oh, careful. Everything's sticking. There we go. Move that over to the side. Okay, so inside this one. Oh, we're not going to show it to you just yet. Move that away. All the suspense. I'm sure you've all seen it before, but it's a very nice coin to look at again. There it is. Oh my goodness. 2019 American Liberty. Absolutely stunning. We'll just take it out there because the reflection is a bit off-putting from the box. Oh my goodness. This is definitely one of the best coin designs, not even for the Liberty. One of the best coin designs. So beautiful. Absolutely breathtaking. Fantastic. So this is $100 coin. And of course it was done in 2019. Very special. This is 49 gold, and this does have a mintage of 50,000 pieces. Now, also in the box, of course, you'll notice it comes with a certificate. Get that out very carefully. And just beautiful imaging here. Really is gorgeous, really is gorgeous. Some more information on the coin itself, about the reverse, the obverse. Got that classic bald eagle there. Excellent. Just lovely. Just lovely. Once again, let's take a look at the coin itself. Now, I don't want to take this one out of the capsule. I'm not sure if I can. Oh, hold on. Yes, we can do it. Oh, I'm glad I did this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The relief there. Beautiful. She's almost luminous. In God we trust. Absolutely stunning. Just gorgeous. And as I mentioned, that is a deal at the moment at EMK. So if you didn't get this coin first time round, you can check it out on our website.